Hey, we got a warm day here in November. What is it, the 6th now? You actually almost have to put the air conditioning on. We're going to take this opportunity to change out this bottom board and insulate it with some foam insulation on all sides just to see if it helps out the bees. Yes, I am a collector of everything. We're going to use my multi-tool here, square combo bending tool, and we're going to take this vinyl aluminum and make us a U-track. And yes, do not do this at home. I recycle and reuse everything, including the most dangerous of tanks. Oh, now I have something for my water. Now I'm going to use that wonderful glue. It activates with water and kind of foams up. And I'm just going to use that to try and seal up the seams, make them a little more airtight, stop the air from flowing back and forth inside of this channel. Not that it will really do much, but we're going to give it a shot anyway. And I'm using a piece of scrap to cut to length. And don't do this at home. I removed all guards, and this is most dangerous. You can probably cut your fingers off. But I'm making a slot for the cover on the bottom. And yes, I messed up on my measurements. 3/8 inch in each side, a little shorter. Nobody will know, it's only on YouTube. And now I'm using stainless steel staples, 1/2 inch deep, stapling both sides. And here's the mess up. Now instead of being 1 inch longer, it's 1 3/8 inches. And there you go. Now we can use our cover on the bottom. Close it off, open it up, let the mites in, let the mites out. And this is the hive that I'm splitting back up. It used to have a screened divider board, and I've been feeding the top, and now I'm going to check the bottom out since I have such nice weather and see how they're doing. They have not been fed. Have not been looked at for quite a few weeks. It's been a little cold, and I can see that they are on the verge of starvation. So I'm going to split them up and give them their own bottom board and put a feeder on top and get rid of the screen divider. There's the queen. I'm going to boost them with some sugar water and help their odds. The only sugar food they've got stored, and that's actually natural. It's no sugar added because I have not fed them. I'm going to use some of this foundation insulation just to fill in the gaps so that they can't glue it together and maybe make it a little more airtight. And there's our insulated bottom board, our insulated heat box, and I'm filling in the extra gap there, and our makeshift robbing screen. And I'm going to put back the cover that was on the top, and I'm going to move the feeder down here since these bees need some more help. That's my makeshift $3 Dollar Tree feeder, and I'm using it deep. And the queen is back. She has stayed inside the hive. This is the one that was gone astray in a previous video, and you can see they have plenty of stores. That's because I have been feeding them sugar water many times over, and they are packed out with lots of stuff to eat. And they're the colony that was sitting on the top. So I'm just going to let them have the sugar that was left in that bin that they couldn't get to, and that's it. Like and subscribe, Galloway Lights.